umi means sea or ocean. Umi means pus, the green gross stuff that forms out of wound when we get the cut and the cut is still healing.
海を出そう。
海を出す means to squeeze the pus out. And if you say 海を出す means to materialize the sea out of nothing. So I think it's the work of some kind of gods.
大丈夫？痛い？
あ、大丈夫です、BGMer。海を出します。
ねえねえねえ、何して遊ぶ？
はい。海で泳ぎたいです。Don't worry about it too much. This is just an example of the Japanese beach accent. And the Japanese people understand the meaning by its context. So don't worry about it too much. Good luck with your studies.